behind the barn door. Llama.
You think Lexi's gonna eat on my hand, boys and girls? Come here, Lexi. She's a kisser. She's a kisser. And she loves it. Oh, that's so funny, boys and girls. Ooh, Lexi. That's so good, though. Yeah, you're not slobbering all over me. Good job. Boys and girls, we're in for a treat. Here we go. Llama's going to be eating a treat. Yes, yes, yes. And he's kissing it too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Love. Yes, this is what we call love and kisses. And here's our winner. Right there. Our winner.
Hello, can we get a round of applause for these adults?
It's a different color llama. My goodness. Look at you. All those dogs. Oh, hi! You want to say hi to the boys and girls, huh? You want to say hi? No, I guess he doesn't. He wants to eat. Hey, sweetie. Can you get a drink of water? Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yummy, 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 huh? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yes. Water's good for you, huh? You want to smell my camera? You want to smell my camera for the boys and girls, huh? This is Opie, boys and girls. Opie is 2 years old. And Opie is going to go into the ring pretty soon. And you'll see him. He's going to be judged. We're hoping that he's going to get the #1 place. Opie. Opie's not looking. He's not listening either. There he is. Okay, good luck, Opie. Waiting to come into the ring. Yay, there's Opie. Oh, boys and girls, you met him a few minutes ago. Look at Yes, there's Opie. Little girl walking him. Opie is being judged. Opie. Oh, good one. Good boy, Opie. Good one, Opie. You walked right into it. Very good.